Right, question 2. Sector of a circle of radius 30 centimeters, subtends an angle of 42 here. Calculate the total perimeter of the sector. So remember now, to get perimeter is the distance all the way around. We know that's 30. We also know that's 30 centimeters here. We need this arc here. To get the arc, you work out the full circumference to start with of the full circle. So it'll be 3.14 times the diameter. And the diameter is going to be 60, of course. So get my calculator. 3.14 times 60, and I get 188.4 centimeters. That's the arc here. Okay, no, that's the, sorry, that is the circumference, isn't it, of the full circle. Got to be careful here not to rush this. Okay, that's just, that would be the full circle. That would be the circumference of the full circle going round. But I don't want all that, don't I? I only want a fraction. So the arc will be the fraction, which is 42 over 360 times then this 188.4. So I get my calculator. Times 188.4, and I get 21.98. Okay, so that's what I need to write up here. And then to get the total perimeter, or the perimeter, will be them added together. So 30 plus 30 plus then, maybe I'll round this to one decimal place. So 21.9, that'll be 22.0, wouldn't it? And I get 82.0 centimeters. Okay, so part B then, it says the sector of a circle of radius 30 has an area of 534 as shown below. Calculate the angle x. Now notice they've given me the area here, except what I don't know now is the angle. Okay, so we've got to sort of work backwards on this. But again, because it's connected to the area, what I'm going to do is I'm going to work out the area of the full circle. Okay, so I know the area of the sector is 534, but the area of the full circle will be pi r squared. So 3.14 times 30 is the radius, 30 squared. So I'll do that. So that would be 2,826. And remember now, that's the area of the full circle, not this. Just a sector. And just think then, if I wanted the area of this sector, I would have to do the fraction, wouldn't I? And the fraction would be this angle here, which is x, over 360, because it's out to 360. So the fraction is x over 360, and I'd be multiplying them by the area of that circle, 2826. But I actually know what the area of this sector is, so I can say equal to 534. Okay, so it's a kind of a working backwards situation. And you compare it to before. Before we knew the angle, and then you could work out the fraction of the full area, and you get your answer then of the smaller sector. Now in this case, they give you the area of the smaller sector, but we don't actually know what this angle is in terms of this fraction. So you get this situation mocked up, and then it's a case of just using a bit of algebra. You could take that 360 up here and multiply. Take your time on it. 360. And then, of course, you could work that out, but you want to get x on its own, so we'll take this over, because we times it, and take it over and divide. So we'll do all this in one go, maybe. This calculation. So I'm going to get my calculator. 534 times 360, and then divide all that by 2826. Hopefully something sensible. And it comes out, there you go, 68 degrees. We can round that to one decimal place, and because it goes 68.0, and we've got our answer.